All right, here is another application of volume of pyramids. It says a crystal is cut into a shape formed by two square pyramids joined at the base. So um, we have two pyramids. One is the top, the other is the bottom. Each pyramid has a base edge length of 6.3 millimeters, which they have labeled for us, and a height of 44 millimeters. What's the volume to the nearest cubic millimeter of the crystal? So what we're going to do here is we're going to find the volume of one of the pyramids, and then we'll just multiply that by 2 because we have one on top, one on the bottom. Okay, our formula for the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. We need to make sure we have both of those things we need. The height, which we can see right there is 4, okay, the height of our pyramid, and the area of the base. Now the base was a square. Right here, notice it says we had square pyramids, and the side length for that square is 6.3. So for the area of our base, the area of a square, you square the length of a side, or take the length times length, right? We would have 6.3 times 6.3, which is what 6.3 squared means. And that gives me 39.69. So I just put 6.3 times 6.3. Okay, that gives me the parts that I need for my formula for volume. Okay, so I go back up here and I put those numbers in. I'm going to find the volume of that top pyramid. So we have 1/3, the area of our base we just found was 39.69, and the height again was 4. So we just multiply 39.69 times 4, and then divide by 3 for our 1/3, and we get a volume of 52.92. All right, from there we had not just this pyramid on top, but an identical one to it on the bottom. So for the full volume, I'm just going to take 2 times the volume of one of the pyramids that I just found. So I take 52.92 times 2, and I get 105.84. Now it wanted it rounded to the nearest cubic meter. 105.8 would round to 106 cubic millimeters. Okay, so again, we just found the volume of the top pyramid. Since the bottom one was exactly the same, then we just had 2 times that, and that gave us our full volume for the crystal. Okay, here we're going